The purpose of this video is to talk to you about how to do your fiction project, which isn't all that much different from your nonfiction project. You need to collect 10 quotes, and you need to go through a certain process for each one of them. First thing I want to do is draw your attention to the model that's in your packet. Now, if you take a look at it, it has similar formatting to what our last one was. You should quote your text, making sure you open with quotes and end with quotes and use parentheses. Now, when you do that, make sure you also label the number of the quote. So it's quote 1, quote 2, quote 3, so your teacher can tell the difference. Also, then go through the steps. The first one is to describe what's going on in that quote, and the next one is to analyze it. If you take a look at page 5 in your packet, there are lots of different literary terms that you can use as a springboard to analyze. What I want to draw your attention to as you write is the importance of literary analysis verbs. When we look at the analysis section of this assignment, I'm going to point out the verbs that your model uses. The author enumerates, to show. This is directly explaining what the author does and why the author is doing it. This is excellent language to emulate yourself. Other verbs. The author lists, to emphasize. The author enumerates. The author captures, and the author emphasizes. These verbs help you get to the meaning of the author's text. And there's a handout provided to you that will help you come up with better verbs and know how to use the verbs. So if you have a word bank of verbs, you're going to be stronger in your analysis section. And that's about it for the advice on this project. Good luck on your writing.